Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix if the Windows 11 is stuck on your loading screen when you're trying to use, and how you can figure this up so you don't have to worry. We have a solution and let's dive into it. So the first one, you just have to go over here and you have to type for run command and you have to open this. Over here you have to search for ws reset.exe and you just have to press enter, and over here as you can see you just have to wait for it, and it's going to take a little bit time, so you just have to wait for this one. And once it is done, you just have to follow. We have parallelly one more solution which I would like to make you notice. So what you have to do is you just have to go over here on the PowerShell. So PowerShell, you just have to go over here and you have to search for PowerShell. You have to search for Windows PowerShell. As you can see, you just have to select this. You have to type all together Windows PowerShell, and over here you just have to click over here on run as administrator and go for yes. And once it is done, what you have to do is you just have to go over here on the PowerShell, and from here I'll be giving a link in the description which you just have to copy paste, and you have to paste this and you have to press enter. So now it's going to take a process, so it's going to take a couple of minutes and you just have to wait for this. And once this is successfully done, if this is successfully done, you just have to try out a restart and try to open your PC or laptop which is having a trouble, and most probably the trouble regarding this which is stuck on loading screen will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.